Hi everyone and welcome. Let's learn how to use the NPV function in Microsoft Excel. So let's consider this problem. A company is considering investing $300,000 at the beginning of year 1. The estimated cash inflows at the ends of years 1 through to 5 are listed in the table below. So the company uses a discount rate of 11% to compute the NPV. So the initial investment is 300,000. That is the initial cash outflow. The discount rate of 11%. And remember, a company can choose a discount rate based on the interest rate it believes it can earn on its money. So the estimated future cash flows are then discounted to determine their present value. So to use the NPV function in Excel, you hit the equal sign, type in NPV, select NPV, then take the discount rate, just select the discount rate alone, and then the range of values, that is the cash flows, and then close the bracket and then hit enter. So the answer you get here is actually the sum of the present values of all the cash flows. To get the true net present value, you have to subtract the initial cash outflow outside of the NPV function. So you hit the equal sign, take this NPV, then minus the initial investment, hit enter. So this is the true net present value. Or rather, you can use the other formula here where you put in NPV, then the discount rate, the range of values, and then subtract outside of the NPV function. You subtract the initial investment, then you hit enter. So a positive NPV, a positive net present value, is profitable